Imagine launching your beta in just 10 days. Our process compresses discovery, design, and engineering into a focused sprint. Test with real users next week, not next quarter. This is the power of rapid transformation. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Utilize a battle-tested stack with AWS Serverless and modern frontends. Implement best practice auth, roles, and environment guardrails from day one. Ship value on day one with a stack that grows with you. Our stack ensures security from the start, not as an afterthought. With telemetry and CI/CD baked in, you're set for success. This pragmatic approach means you can focus on what truly matters, delivering value. Experience tight daily check-ins and clear milestones. Define success upfront and ship with analytics, events, and user feedback loops. This ensures every step is measurable and aligned with your goals. See daily demos and iterate with users for optimal results. By engaging users early, you refine your product in real time. This iterative process guarantees a product that resonates with your audience. Kick off with a concept sprint to align on users and success metrics. Build core features and iterate with users for a polished UI. This sets the foundation for a user-ready beta. Prepare for production, deploy and handover with comprehensive documentation. This ensures a smooth transition and empowers your team. You're not just building a product, you're building a future. By embracing this process, you'll achieve rapid validation and real-world learning. Start your journey today and transform your concept into a reality. Let's make your vision come to life.